First, make sure you have a clear space to work with and pull out all of your items. Each package comes with a letter frame, a back stand, light bulb set, and assembly manual. Step 1. We'll start by laying out the base of your marquee kit with the numbers visible. This will serve as your starting point and ensure everything lines up correctly. Pro tip: you can identify the proper positioning of your kit by identifying the bottom with the slots for the back stand. Step 2. Next, grab your hot glue gun and carefully glue the edges of each letter, like this. This will ensure everything stays in place once it's assembled. Step 3. Now it's time to snap and connect the pieces to your base. Match up the corresponding numbers on the base with the connector pieces to ensure everything lines up perfectly. Next, snap the pieces into place and apply some pressure. Then you'll want to flip your kit over to the back and glue the base to the connector pieces you just snapped in place to ensure everything stays together. Step 4. Once your letters are assembled, it's time to add some lighting. Install the light bulb set starting from the top of each letter and working your way down. Make sure they're securely in place. Step 5. Finally attach the back stands to the back of each letter and glue the edges for stability and support. Now you're ready to add some sparkle to any event. Thanks for watching and happy decorating!